Darling, I wish you had new lipsticks, darling. Well, I can buy some when I have money, but right now I'm totally broke, so new lipsticks are out of the question, okay, Marco? My girl, you look so good with the new lip, darling. Yes, I'm sure I would, Marco, but red lipstick is fantastic. You know, there's a lot of power in red lipstick. I mean, it's just crazy insane how powerful women are that are beautiful, and every woman's beautiful. It's just crazy insane how powerful women are with beautiful red lipstick. Yes, darling, I do understand. That is so right, my darling. That is so right, darling. Don't. Anyway, when are you getting the new lipstick, my darling? Well, I can't afford it right now, Marco. I'll buy it as soon as I have a little bit of extra cash. No, a lot of extra cash, because I don't want to have, well, not a lot, but enough that I have enough pay my bills ahead of time, darling. Oh, yes, darling, paying your bills ahead of time, darling. That's what we all should do, darling. Yes, well, that's what I'm going to do, Marco. Come on, Donald. Come on, Donald. Sorry, darling. My patience is thin, darling. Well, it's not my fault. I didn't do anything to you, Marco. So take away the problem that you have with me, Donald. Okay, darling. Well, I will, darling. No problem, Marco. No problem.